If I had 0 followers in 2023, here's what I would do to grow. Number one, make your profile optimized. Focus on them rather than you. How do you help them, your audience? How do you help them achieve certain outcomes, solve certain problems? That's what you want to focus on. So I would optimize all of my social profiles: LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, everything. Because when you optimize it and when you share what you do, your Google SEO will increase automatically. Step number 2 is start creating 60-second short form videos and post them daily, and post everywhere: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok. This is a video economy. If you're not on video, probably in the next 12 months, you're gonna die. Your business will be nowhere to be seen. Maybe you're close to the starting point and you might want to give up even before you reach somewhere. So I'm warning you, start creating video content. Even if you feel like you're not good at it, video is how you build trust fast. Also, create shareable and savable content. Number 3, send 20 to 30 new friend requests every day to people who you don't know but who are in your similar niche. It could be peers, it could be prospects, it could be prospect clients, so that you are expanding your network every day. And what happens is, since you're posting daily video content and you are sending requests, some percentage out of them will accept your friend request, like on Facebook or Instagram, LinkedIn connection requests. So you are expanding your network every day. Then they get nurtured by your daily content that you're putting out. And more often than not, when you have something to sell, they're already nurtured and ready to purchase from you. This way, you're not just putting out content in a vacuum where only 5 people are watching your post every day and 3 among them are your family members. No, we want to keep expanding our network every day. 4th point, spend 30 minutes a day engaging with your community, with your peers, with everyone around you who's creating similar content or is in a similar niche. Again, coming back to what I said in the last point, you want new people finding you. Yes, you're sending friend requests, but now you need to build relationships with them. So go and comment on their post. Go and DM them if you find something that you liked about their content or about their project or about their skills or about their storytelling. Anything. Build relationship, because this will also give way to collaborations where you can collaborate and tap into each other's audiences to help both of you grow. Number 5, social selling on DMs every day. You can create posts such as, hey, want us to share the high ticket process that's working well for our clients? The same one that helped our client hit $100,000 in 30 days? If so, message 100K for details. So when you put these kind of content, it's direct response, it's to the point, it's crisp, it's outcome based. Then invite them into your DMs. So you're not reaching out to people, you're not chasing people, you're not doing outbound, but they are coming to you, which means you have leverage. So then you can start selling on DMs by taking the conversation forward, where you are the bridge between their problem and the outcome that they want to achieve. Also, if you're liking the video up until now, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. It helps more than you know, and smash the like button on this video. Number 6, work hard to get one good video case study. Now in this process, you are putting content out every day, your profile is optimized, you're selling on DMs, you might have landed 1 or 2 clients. It's time to give your all to working with those clients and actually focus on getting one video case study. Listen to me, I want to shake you through the screen and tell you and remind you, if you have one good video case study, your life will be infinitely easier in finding more clients to work with you. Because again, video creates trust, and someone else giving you a video case study is proof that you know what you're doing. So focus on working with clients and getting that one good video case study, and don't stop until you do it. Sometimes it takes people weeks, sometimes it takes people months, and sometimes years. I want you to shorten that process, and hopefully your content strategy and your branding that I just shared with you will help you minimize that time to get that one video case study for yourself. 7th point, this is super important, build an email list. I don't care whether you have 10 followers or 100 followers or 100,000 or even a million followers. You need to start building an email list from day one, because you want to convert your followers into an owned audience. Remember that that social media channels like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you don't own them, you don't control their algorithm. They have the full power to take away your profile in a moment's notice. And so all the followers that you worked hard to gain, they will be gone in a moment. So you want to bring them onto your email list so that you can send daily nurturing emails based on value, based on storytelling, based on videos that you create, also selling your stuff. This is very important. You can use tools like Active Campaign and ConvertKit to get started. Number 8, now that you've set it up, it's time to send emails every single day. I know it's crazy, but remember the second point I said. I asked you to create video content daily on all platforms. Well, you already created the video. Now transcribe it and put it into text format, and add a subject line to it, add a hook and a call to action to it, and there's your email. So just with that one video, you're able to, yes, push short form video out, but also write an email to your email list, which will help you generate calls for your business. Number 9, this is where everything comes together. Go on calls and close people, because despite anything that anyone says, followers don't matter in 2023. Okay, yes, I want you to put content out daily. Yes, I want you to reach out to new people every day. But you know what is more important? The clients you close, the clients you impact, the money you make, your bank account is more important than the followers. So please don't chase followers blindly. In fact, you don't need a huge following to make $10,000 months. A lot of our Vortex Mastermind clients have less than 2,000 followers, and they are making anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per month without spending on ads, without having a huge following. So it is possible for you. All right, I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now I think you should watch this next video to keep the learning and execution going. This is Roota Mittal. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.